we watch your character, go from charming lawman to, to a cancer sufferer, all the while pining for Gemma. You ever gonna close that deal or what?
First of all, I thought this microphone was fake and you were going to play a joke on me. I have the only microphone that doesn't have a wire on it.
Yeah, we weren't expecting you to say anything.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Well, I'm sorry you had to wait through all that to get to this. I doubt it. No, her husband is right there. I'm happy that way.
Right, well, okay, we'll take that